Hey there, future millionaires. Let's cut the BS. You're here because you're tired of trading time for pennies while influencers flaunt Lambos. What if I told you AI isn't just coming for your job? It's your golden ticket to financial freedom. Stick around. I'll show you 3 AI side hustles that'll make your bank account scream thank you by 2025. Miss this, and you'll regret it by the time ChatGPT 10 is writing your breakup texts. Let's get real. Inflation's eating your paycheck alive. Rent's a horror movie. And that side hustle? Delivering burritos in traffic ain't exactly wealth building. Pause, smirk. But imagine this. What if you could automate income while you sleep? Lean in, whisper. AI is the cheat code. And in 2025, it's not just for tech bros, it's for you. But here's the catch. The early adopters get rich. The latecomers get leftovers. Which side are you on? Relax, I'm not asking you to build Skynet. You just need 3 ideas, 0 coding, and the attention span of a TikTok scroll. Let's dive in before your roommate's crypto portfolio crashes again. Meet Sarah, college dropout. Now makes $3,000 a month posting AI-generated dog memes. Screen, fake meme account blowing up. How? She uses tools like Midjourney plus ChatGPT to pump out 100 viral posts a day. Ads, affiliate links, cha-ching. Pause, eyebrow raise. But wait, isn't the internet flooded already? Smirks. Nah. By 2025, platforms will prioritize AI content to cut costs. Get in now, or watch Sarah buy a Tesla with your ad revenue. Still think you need creativity? Snaps fingers. AI's got more ideas than your ex had excuses. But if memes aren't your vibe, here's the truth. Freelancers using AI tools earn 4 times more. Screen. AI video editors charging $500 per video. Think about it. Use Descript to edit podcasts in minutes. Use copy.ai to write sales emails that actually sell. Charge premium prices while AI does the grunt work. Lean in, intense. Your competition? They're still using Microsoft Word. Be the upgrade. Wait, you're not a freelancer? Good news. The third idea is for everyone, even if you've never filed a tax return. Gen Z is drowning in debt. Enter AI money coaches. Tools like Plaid plus GPT-4 analyze spending, automate budgets, and guilt trip users better than mom. Screen app demo. You sell subscriptions. Charge $50 a month, get 20 clients. Boom, $50 a month, get 20 clients. Boom, $1,000. Pause, smirk. And no, you don't need a finance degree. Just AI and the audacity to say, trust me, bro. But here's the kicker. These aren't maybe opportunities. By 2025, they'll be saturated. The window, closing fast. Let's recap. AI content farms, AI-powered freelancing, AI finance coaching. Each one's a ladder to $1,000 a month or more. But ladders get crowded. Voice drops. The time to act? Now start tonight. Pick one idea. Google it. And if you're stuck, comment. AI Rich is below. I'll send you my free toolkit. Smirks. Or don't. Keep doom scrolling while someone else buys your dream apartment.